syntax. See, syntax is create. I'm using caps locks because in most of the cases you will see that has written in the caps lock, but it is your choice whether you are going to write in the caps lock, capital letter, or in a small letter. Nothing is going to be wrong in this. I'm just following the the type that is followed by the books and all, so that you will feel the same kind of a thing. Now create or replace. See, what is this? Create or replace means if you are writing create or replace, it means you can modify. What is the mean of or replace means? See, whenever if you are a good programmer, then this is the recommended कि every time you must write or replace also, so that you have a liberty कि whenever there is a need of change in the coding, you can change. So write create or replace. This is the syntax only. I will tell you the execution part also. Create or replace, then procedure. Procedure is the keyword. Procedure. Now, name of procedure. Name. I'm writing here identifier. So you have to write the identifier here, by which your procedure is going to be created. Identifier. After that, suppose, see, if you are writing a procedure for a query, then you can use this parenthesis as you used to write in the function creation. Function में आप लिखते हो ना int a int b इस तरीके से. So the same, for the same purpose you can write if you want to handle the database, then you can write the identifier having the parameter. So there are two kind of procedure you can create. First procedure without parameter, and second procedure with parameter. So I will tell you both way. So first I am going to tell you procedure without parameter. Identifier means name of procedure. After this, you can use as or is, both you can use. So now you are going to create identify. I will tell you both way. Create procedure identifier s. Now you have to write begin. Begin. Then what you write here is statement. What you want to execute with this procedure, then you have to write begin. As I already told you that procedure is a block of code that you are going to execute. Fine. Then you have to write end. See guys, as I have already told you that in the normal programming, what you are going to write like void. अगर मैं आपको एक छोटा सा प्रोग्राम बताऊं, प्रोग्राम means just a code here, void sum. So what is basically that particular block? That particular block is basically block of code that is going to be executed whenever it is required. So what you used to do here, suppose you have written block of code like this, int a, int b, then int c, just suppose, and you are writing a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, and c is equals to a plus b. Then you are going to print the c. Well, so whenever the requirement of sum, then you have to just call this method only. So this is the actually calling of this method. Means once you have created this function, and if you require this function again and again, so no need to write this code again and again. You have to just call this function as you used to do with the predefined function. Suppose if I'm taking the example of C, what you used to do in the C language, you are just using predefined function like printf. What is the printf? What is the scanf? Okay. A lot of methods are there. Okay. If you talk about the Java, see, a lot of methods are there like print, ln, print, length. Lot of methods are there. These are the just predefined methods. It means whenever you require the code of print, whenever you want to print something, okay, you have to just call this method. This is already predefined method. When you are calling this method, the code of predefined that has been written by these C people that is going to be executed. Similarly, in the case of scanf, and whenever you are need to print the statement in Java, then again, either you have to write your own code or you can call the predefined function that has been written by the Java people. Same in this case of this. Very similar. Whenever you are going to create this method, it means whenever it is required, you have to just call this method. So this is actually called a block of code. So in a very similar, you are also going to write a block of code here. So whatever you are going to write it here, that is going to execute whenever you are going to call this procedure. Is it okay, guys? Is it okay? Now example. ये आपका हो गया syntax. Now I'm going to tell you the example. How you can write the procedure. So firstly, as I already told you that I will just create a normal procedure, means there is no database connectivity to this procedure, but in the next program I will show you database connectivity with the procedure. See, first of all, what you have to do here, I'm going to do in the caps lock, I'm going to change this color so that you can recognize easily. Create or replace, yes, replace procedure. So see, it's spelling, but you have to take care of the spelling of this procedure. 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 What is the name of procedure? Suppose message. MSG message. As now begin. You have created the procedure. Now you have to begin the procedure. What you want to do with this procedure? Simple. I just want to write a message here. How you can print the message? dbms underscore output dot put line. This is procedure. This is procedure. जगह नहीं है, so I'm going to write it in this short procedure. Now you can end this. So your procedure is going to be created. Fine. Now let me execute this procedure. So for execution, I have already executed some lot of. So I'm going to remove it. Yes, I have to sign in again. Yes. So what I have to write it here? Create or replace. Fine. What should be the name of procedure? तो आप इसे स्पेलिंग लिख लो. Procedure, 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 message. You have to be very careful about the spelling that you are using. S or is begin dbms underscore output dot put line. This is procedure in PLSQL. This is procedure in PL/SQL. Simple. And now you have to execute this program. When you are going to execute this program, must be declared dbms output dot put line dbms output dot line. Why it is showing the error?
Spelling of output was wrong.
अच्छा स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग थी, ठीक। देखो प्रोसीजर क्रिएटेड, आपको प्रोसीजर जब भी आप कैप्स में लिखते हो ना, so you have to very careful about the spelling because we are actually used to about the mixed letter, maximum in the small letter. So whenever you are writing the caps, be careful. So yes, our procedure has been created. Now how you are going to execute this procedure? See, again you have to write begin, and you can do in the next file also. Begin, just write the name of your procedure, very careful about the spelling, then end. So do not execute the entire program, just select these lines, just select these lines, okay? So actually only these line will going to execute. Procedure is already created, so no need to create it again. Now you have to execute the procedure, so just select these line and just execute. See, this is procedure in PL/SQL. Now the procedure has been created. Got it, guys? Everyone, see it again. Create or replace procedure. Then identifier means name of procedure. What is the name of procedure? Message as begin. Now we have to write a code. Begin means, I have already told you, begin means like this. Means you are starting the code, or end means like you are ending the code. So I'm just telling about for a new students. So begin means like this, and end means like this. So begins, what you want to do with this procedure? I just want to execute a statement only. So what should be the statement? Any statement should be there. I have written this is procedure in PL/SQL. End. Now this is the procedure creation and this is procedure execution. So I